This is the HadinEEon electric milk frother. Let's take it out of the box. In the box we get the instruction manual, of course. You get a cleaning sponge right here. It's just basically a sponge on a stick. So that's a nice little feature so you can clean out the inside. Looks like it's probably replaceable as well if it ever wears out. So that's good. So you can always reuse that. Might also be handy for washing certain dishes and whatnot. Here is the container itself, of course. There's already one blade in there, if you will. Here's the lid for it. It's got like a silicone seal. And this is the whipping blade for milk frothing, which fits conveniently in the top here, or of course you can put the other one in here for storage. And it's removable off of its base like that, and they give you a replacement set of both blades, so that's very, very handy. To change the blade, just reach in there and pull it right off. That's all there is to it. No fancy things you have to do, so that's really it. This can heat milk, froth milk, or heat and froth milk. So let's get started. Here's the front of it for cold or for hot, your choice. You could do it either way. And there's lines in here, minimum, maximum, all that. And you pour the milk in there and pour the top, put the top on and press the button and we're ready to go. So let's get some milk in there and we'll just try the heating function first. Incidentally, this will heat up to 17 ounces of milk up to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, and it'll froth up to 8 ounces of milk, which can give you several cups worth. It does all of that in only 2 or 3 minutes. So let's put some milk in. So we're just going to leave the mixing blade in there, and we're going to pour in some milk. I'll just go up to the minimum line, a little bit more there, about there should do. And we'll put the top on right over here. So we're just going to press the heating button. It starts up and you can see it stir the milk in there as it does that. So we'll let it do its thing until it automatically shuts off in about 2 or 3 minutes. Alright, it's all done. Take the top off and you can see that it actually has frothed it a little bit. Just get a spoon to show you. That's just with the stirring blade in there. Let me pour that out. So it looks like it went to about 140. So not too bad. And nice and frothy at the top, and the rest is just some nice warm milk. So now we'll go ahead and put the other blade in and try that out. Okay, I have new milk in there. I have the whipping blade in. Close that up, and we'll press the cold button this time. And my goodness, look at the volume already. So we'll let that do its thing, and once that's done, we will come back. Alrighty, all done. So we'll go ahead and take off the lid. And oh yeah, there's some nice foam there. Put that right on top of some coffee. That looks pretty good right there. Definitely pretty good. I decided to rerun that on the heated setting. Here's some leftover coffee from this morning. So now you can do your latte art, and I'm not a barista, so whatever, but you get the idea. You can spoon all that nice foam in. Stir it in. Do whatever you do with your coffee, and there you go. Well, that looks even better than this morning when I had coffee without this. Excellent. Well, I'm certainly going to enjoy that, even though it's a reheated cup. It looks like the HadinEEon milk frother does an excellent job. They were very generous, giving you that whipping blade and the stirring blade and giving you an extra set. Not to mention the cleaning sponge as well. And the whole thing, in case I didn't show earlier, comes right off its base, so you can just pour it right out of the container with the little pour spout. All around, looks really nice. And by the way, you can use this with other types of milk as well. Today, I just used some whole milk, but you can do coconut milk in here if you wanted, or even almond milk in here. And of course, you can feel free to experiment with different types of milk. This looks like it did such a good job that it may even work with 2% milk. I haven't tried that, but that's what we normally have in the house. I got whole milk because I knew it would foam up a bit nicer here, but I think even with 2% it would do an admirable job. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find it available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.